because we're doing an unboxing video. We got a lot of equipment today. Yeah, these are our mic arms.
Mic arms?
Actually.
We got some mic arms?
Mics, cables.
The recorder?
I think my strap-on's in there too. I think we got a lot of shit. But
So,
I think before we even open this,
it's time for an upgrade, huh?
time for an upgrade, yes, because the audio was shit. But now audio's gonna be crisp, better, and we're gonna start uploading audio too, not just video. But before I even open this bitch, a thank you to our sponsor, us.
Yeah.
Alright, so this I think is the mic arms, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, we just got tired of the shitty audio.
These are the mic arms. Man, this fucking box looks like shit. Look at that shit. They fucking threw the box. God damn it, Bezos. Alright, so the mic arms we got were the Gator frameworks. I think we got the 3000. Yeah, we did. We got the 3000. Well, let me see if there's anything in there. Okay, box is empty. What comes in this little bitch? It looks like the screws. What does it stand for? That's it. The actual microphone. They look clean. Alright, see, this is a braid, so you could put it on your table. Oh shit, I should pull that. More plastic. Alright. That's pretty dope. So like I said, these are the Frameworks 3000. These aren't the other ones. These are still good, but I think they have the 1000s, 2000s, and the 4000s. But yeah, compact overall. It's 20.5 inches by 4 3/4 inches by 2.5 inches. Okay, so I guess to move it, you move it out. You have to tighten it. That's how it stays there. Same thing here. Okay, so
Fucking awesome.
let me see.
We might have to move the table a little forward now. Oh, that's fucking badass.
And then you just Mama!
Damn, that's fucking badass.
So it fucking works.
So yeah, guys, this should be the Shure SM7 mics, if I'm not mistaken, but model name might be a little different. Shout out to me well, shout out to really Sickly. He got this fucking last minute, just impulsive
Hair up my ass.
hair up his ass, and he said, you know what? Let's talk less. Let's actually commit. All right, damn, look at this shit, guys.
Okay.
SM7B. This is the shit, basically. Industry standard. Go look at the top podcast, and this is what those motherfuckers are using.
Joe the Toe Rogan.
Joe the Toe Rogan, literally 5'3".
He literally 5'3".
But we still love the guy. Well, I still love the guy. I don't know if you still love the guy.
I mean, he's cool. He's not his top podcasts aren't the same as before, but he's still a cool dude.
Alright, so here we go, guys. Holy shit. Fucking look at that, bro.
What the fuck is that?
That's the noise card.
Oh, it's like a woman's breast. Wait, so what is this for?
This is to give it that clean, crispy, like no little bullshit in the background gets in the way of your sound. Although the mic does a good job on its own, this is like a windshield is what they call it too.
You're a windshield.
What windshield? So look at this.
That's the actual mic.
That's the actual mic.
Bro, you're peeling it back like if it's foreskin, dude.
Only they give you 2 options. They give you 2, like a little backup.
So what are we gonna use?
I say we use a standard.
Okay.
It looks beautiful and shit.
Wait, so what would happen if this shit gets fucked up? If this cable fucks up?
We have replacements.
How do we replace it though?
Okay, well this wiggles. So I'm pretty sure.
We'll fucking look up a video or some shit.
I'm pretty sure something opens. Maybe. Allegedly.
We'll look up videos before we even touch it. Because I do want to change those goddamn cables.
You want to change them?
Fuck yeah, dude.
Why?
I didn't buy those cables for nothing.
We could have them as backups.
Fuck that.
I think we should keep them around. Have them as backups.
Maybe.
Like, why would we mess up with how it came? Don't you want to record?
I do want to record. But I also want to rock my purple cables.
So why don't we record, mess these cables up as soon as we can, and then replace them?
But what if we can't replace them, bro? What if we're fucked?
This is a weird little night, bro. Like, we're making it do jobs that it was not designed to do.
It's designed to cut. Bitch, better cut. Cost me like $40.
There we go.
Oh, you heard the click? Oh.
I think the cable just runs down because look, this little thing you can tug on.
Oh, look, it has little screws in here. So it looks like you probably could take it out.
Yeah.
All right, fuck it. We'll check it out. We'll look up a video or something. See if we could change the cables.
Yeah. We got some backup XLR cables for when
They're purple. The lighting sucks, but they're purple.
they're pretty cool. When we fuck these up, we'll install these, and we'll keep them as backup. We got a 32 gig. What do you call these?
SD card.
SD card for this motherfucker. Now this motherfucker.
Now show us what this motherfucker is.
Now this motherfucker might be our pride and joy. We got the Zoom H6 recorder.
So the reason why we got this bitch is so we could also not just have better audio, but now we could also
Sync that top quality audio with the video.
no. Aside from that, but also now we could upload audio only, like on Anchor and all
We were
other
able to do
bullshit.
that from the beginning, but I see what you mean. We upgraded
Well, yeah, because we weren't gonna fucking upload audio only with that shit audio we had, right?
and torture people. Ooh, it's like a kid opening up a Game Boy
A Game Boy.
back in the day. Ooh, look at that. ladies and gentlemen.
Damn. So this is where we connect the mics. These circles here.
Yeah, these right here.
What's this right here with this back thing here?
That is like
For a tripod?
exactly.
Oh.
I was gonna say. I get a tripod, and that's where that goes in.
Oh.
Ooh,
What goes here?
this.
And what's that for?
This, I guess we could use. Let's say we weren't gonna.
They look like little microphones.
I think they are little microphones.
Look at that router. They're cute router.
They're what?
They're cute router.
Yeah. And our fucking batteries.
Wait, I thought you said we could use a cable on it.
Oh, we have to buy a cable,
Are you serious?
like a power source.
Where the fuck where do you connect the power source?
I think it's right there.
Let me see. Get the fuck out of here. We're gonna use batteries on this shit still?
No, I don't think it's lined up. Hey, we'll watch a video. We'll watch a video.
Yeah, bro. Hey, YouTube basically teaches all the fucking knuckleheads nowadays how to fucking check shit up.
The University of fucking YouTube.
That's where we graduated from. Oh, so that's where you put the SD card right there.
Yep.
It's got for a remote, line out. What the fuck is all this? DC5V. Oh, I think it's this.
But that might be it, yeah.
Should you have done that?
Yeah. Committed, right?
Yeah, but I feel like, dude, it's brand new. What if we scratched it already? We could have just left that until it fell out.
I'm sorry, it's just a force of habit. I always like to commit.
Okay, so then we connect this on there, right?
Yep. Line.
Excuse my dope ass shoe collection right there. I got the $200 Vans right there.
The high school days.
I got the $200 Vans and the $400 Reeboks.
That's right. 32 gigs are now available.
So how the fuck you turn this on?
Power button.
This doesn't do live playback, does it? Like right now, like let's say I'm recording now. Oh, testing. It doesn't do live playback, huh?
For sure.
Does it? There's our setup.
So yeah, guys, as you can see, we got the frameworks.
Gator framework.
The Gator frameworks connected to the Shure. What are they called again? The SM7Bs. Again, look at how beautiful these mics look. Honestly. And here we already have connected the Zoom H6 ready to go.
Is it on?
It's on. Look. Oh, there you go. Look. Now watch what happens as I give power to track 2. Should go up. Should go when I turn it on. All right. Now it's on. Testing. Testicles.
Wait, which one's mine?
Yours is track 1.
Let me see. Hello. Okay, your turn.
Yo. All right. Damn. I sound pretty good. Not gonna lie.
Looks good. You look good. Look
Check
at
this
this.
out. Welcome to the Thought Experiment Podcast. This is episode 22. What do you think?
Testicles. Oh. Hey, I sound pretty good. What's up, people? I'm fucking super excited. I'm about to fucking put on some anal beads.
More.
I'm about to fucking ask my girl to peg me.
What are you talking about?
I'm still recording the vlog, by the way.
Yo.
Dude, did you hear?
Alright.
Here's the scoop.
Like closer to the mic.
Here's the scoop. Well, I'm probably gonna keep it there. I think that's perfect, right? I can see your face. You can see my face. You don't look stupid. Look, I'm gonna put it from the point of view where you're at. Look, see, you don't look stupid.
Yeah.
The mic is in front of you. It's at a good distance, and you're not like, oh, sorry, bro. This is it. This is our fucking setup. Be excited for our new audio, and as always, we hope you like this bitch. Comment, rate. What the fuck is this, Grinder? I'm saying Grinder. Yeah, but before we dip, huge shout out to our sponsors again, us. Because if it wasn't for us, we couldn't get those mics. But alright, people, I hope you enjoy your day. We'll see you on the next one.